Was good እንዴት ናችሁ? ዛሬም እንግዲህ ባበደ ቪዲዮ ተመልሼላችሁ መጥቻለሁ። ለየት ያለ ነው የሙዚቃ ሪአክሽን አይደለም። አንድ ዩቲዩበር አለ ኡጋንዳዊ ነውና አስመራ ሄዶ ቭሎግ ሰርቷል። እሱን እናየዋለን፣ አብረን ሪአክት እናደርግበታለን። አይ ቲንክ ዲቴል ነው ስለ አስመራ ቪዲዮ የቀረጸውና እሱን አብረን የምናየው ይሆናል። ላይክ ሰብስክራይብ ማድረጋችሁ እንዳትረሱ። ወደ ቪዲዮ።
Good morning guys, it's my official day in Asmara and I stayed at this place right here. And I'm planning to go out, have some breakfast, have some lunch and
reactionoቹ በጣም የሚሰራቸው reactionoች በጣም የሚመቹኝ የሰውዬ ማለት ነው
start to explore the city. But listen, really hard for now so far. Actually what I found is communication is really still hard for people to talk to you in English, so I'm trying to figure out people who speaks English so they can direct me, but I managed that. I got a few. So from now we're going out. We're going out. Check out the streets of Asmara. Check out the restaurants. Check out the church. Like a lot of things I want to see today. So
በተለይ ሬስቶራንቶቹን
check. This is Asmara street. It's really clean from this side to the other side. It's very hard to film in Eritrea because you cannot find people to talk to because people don't speak English here. It's really hard to speak English. I don't know. People speak Arabic. People speak other languages which is not English. They speak Tigrinya and other local languages.
I think አረብኛ ምንድን ይባላል? የሥራ ቋንቋ ነው አይደል? ለዛ ነው።
Wow. And another thing, getting a SIM card here is really hard because you need to go. Like you can't get a SIM card if you are not a local. So it's for locals who can get SIM card, and somebody cannot buy you a SIM card. And another problem I'm facing here is actually language. It's my first day in Asmara. Friendly people. You can ask anything and they can tell you. Like, let me tell you what I found here actually, which is amazing is. People here can talk to you, people can dialect you, they can show you anything, but the only problem is you need to be skilled in English. Like for me, I've been learning Tigrinya a little bit from my brother and I have managed to communicate, but they told me to look for tourism building. I go to Eritrean Telecom so I can be able to get a card, which is not sure if I will get it because they told me I can't get them. But let me just walk around. It's in Asmara, it's in the center, and let me figure out. If I can't get a card, that means I will spend the whole time here without calling anyone. So let me try and get a SIM card and then start my journey in Asmara. My first impression was cool because people are friendly. They drove me the whole night. The taxi driver drove me the whole night, the whole city, looking for a room to sleep. And today, it's gonna be different because I'm alone. And tomorrow I'm gonna get someone to help me out.
እኔ አንዴ ሊድን እንጂ በጣም ጽድት ያለ ቪዲዮ ነው የምሰራው በእውነት።
So for now
ፏርጌ ማለት ነው የሚቀረኝ ቦታ የለም
here and it's still okay. The day is okay. The internet is a little bit slow and it's not easy actually to find a cafe. You cannot get a credit on your phone. You don't have to buy data. You cannot use your phone to be on internet. You need to go on the internet cafe to be on internet. So that's really annoying and it's when you get there it's actually slow, so it's a little bit complicated, but you have to be waiting. If you are waitful you can get what you want. If you're so fast you can't find what you want because it's really difficult in here and it's really slow. So let me explore of Asmara right now as I'm looking for places that I'm supposed to look for. This is a smaller street, guys. It's not easy to film people here, but you can film a little bit. Guys, I'm walking on the streets of Asmara. They are really empty and annoying.
አስመራ ጽዳቷ እኮ እንዴት እንደሚያምር
PM and you can see nobody here. Every place quiet, people are busy doing business, and one more thing I've seen here Like in the early morning, you can see a lot of people. Actually, when it gets a little bit in the midday, things change.
The midday?
I think people go inside or they go back, but Asmara is a little bit cold. There's no reason why people are hiding and they are going back into doors. So I think that's how it feels like here. When it gets lunch, they hide, you know. It's amazing here. Look, one is found on the, side of the place. Then another one is in a... Yeah, it's 12. That's the famous church that I've been watching on videos. Now I'm standing
የሆነ
right.
ፎቶ እንዲኖረኝ ሜሞሪ እንዲኖረኝ እፈልጋለሁ እዚህ ቦታ ላይ።
Yeah, which one? I'm going to move and go to the entrance of this church so that everyone can see it really properly, because it's on the street. Like, need to go back down there and you come back, it's right there. It's really big. I can't believe I'm here. I can't believe actually I'm on this church and this famous street of Asmara.
እዛች ደረጃ ላይ እዚህ ጋር
on videos. What I've seen that this place is very clean and it's crowded in the morning. So in the evening there's not too many people and everybody here is minding his business, you know. So I'm in Asmara trying to get a SIM card, trying to connect with people, but it's like I'm not gonna get this SIM card. I don't know if you hear me properly, but it's like I'm not going to get this SIM card. Foreigners are not allowed to get SIM cards here, and I tried my best to get one, but I can't. Guys, why I'm really so happy for today, because I've been seeing this place on videos, see? Now I'm here, walking on Asmara street, it's been a long time.
Light ካስተካክል ብራዘር
Seeing videos, checking on internet, and so many people are like, you know, you need to go to Asmara. Let me first change this light a little bit. It is actually too much, and the light outside is also too much. So let's see how's that. Like I was saying, guys, I'm so happy that I'm here now. I'm filming on these streets now. Nobody's stopping me. Everybody is minding their businesses, and I'm standing
ለምን
right.
ያቆሙታል? ሲጀምር አይቻልም እንዴ ቪዲዮ ምናምን ጋይስ መቅረጽ አይቻልም እስቲ ማለት ፐብሊክ ላይ
Guys, next to that church. That's big famous church.
አላስቆሙኝ ምናምን ሲል
See, I'm in Eritrea, guys. I made a lot of friends. I made a lot of friends today, and I'm really happy. I love the love they show me in Eritrea. You know, I thought I would be alone, but man, I can't be alone. I found a car. Thank you, guys. Yeah. They are so nice, and actually, we are going for lunch. They're going to take me for some tea, which is really amazing. I was bored, but now I'm not, because I got a company, man. This when I
محمد اليوم انا ما قادر اعبر يا اخوان قال له ما قادر اعبر انا يعني مهما مريت
they about it it's called fata.
ፋታ
They're going to mix,
ፋታ ወይኔ ባለፈው አዲስ አበባ ሄጄ ሳልሞክር መምጣቴ በጣም ነው እያናደደኛል የምር
Yeah.
سورس
Then it will come together.
كفي عزيزي ثلاثه
لا اسمعني مني لا اوجب لك عيشه واحده
ايش كيف
አረብኛ ነው የሚያወሩት
It is shatta.
شاطر ايوه بربري
Is it spicy?
ايوه بربري سبايسي
Any food?
نو
Eritrean. Fata, yeah. Because I eat this one before.
امسكوا المعالق ده يصور رسول جزاك الله
አይ ራበኝ እግዚአብሔር
Thank you, guys. This is the team I met today, only 30 minutes actually. Yeah? It's like we have been together for 3 days. Okay. Filming us.
አረብኛ ነው ጋይስ የሚያወሩት። እሺ
Guys, this is Asmara. Asmara. My
white.
very. You say what do you say in? You say in Tigrinya. How do you say white?
Sada.
Sada. Asmara. Sada.
ሰዓዳ
Guys, I'm so happy I came to Asmara. I'm really grateful. The country is cool. It's not too hot. The people, man, I found so many nationalities. So people are very beautiful, very kind. And I'm glad I came here. I thought it's gonna be bad. It's my first day. It's very beautiful. Let's see other days. This was great in Asmara. Yeah. See guys, I can see Asmara from here. This church is one of the most reason why I have to stay in this place for a very long time, because it's been a while since I'm watching it on internet, on TV, but now I'm here and I'm looking at it. It's just right
እዛ ያለው እየመሰለኝ ነው።
in front of me, man. This is cool. This side, this is small. This one, this blue. Next big one. I want to see it moving.
ጽድት ያለች ከተማ ነች።
I think it's enough, right? Yeah. You know, even the battery is low, but I can still use it.
I can see my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but the
ሌዲ እንጂ በሚገርም ሲኒማቶግራፊ አድርጌ ማለት ነው። ያው ህጎቹን አላውቅም፣ መቀረጽ ይቻላል አይቻልም ማውቀው ጉዳይ የለም። በርግጥ ግን እሱን ቼክ አድርጌ በደንብ የሚቻል ከሆነ ፏ አድርጌ ነው የምሰራው ጊዜ በሚገርም ሲኒማቶግራፊ ማለት ነው። ሌዲ እንጂ እዛ
I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
ሶበት ኮፒራይት እንዳይዘን ብዬ ነው እንትን እያልኩ ያለሁት እያሳለፍኩት ያለሁት ሙዚቃው ማለት ነው። የውጭ ሙዚቃ ከባድ ነው። የውጭ ሀገር ዜጋ ይመስላል።
Where are you from?
Yeah, my name is Helen Habteselase. I'm from Eritrea, and I'm the owner of this medical center, which is called the East Africa Medical Center. And here in Uganda, most of our community, they have a problem of communication. You know, it is when it comes to health, it's difficult to explain with another language. So it's better to explain with your language. So for us, our community, they speak Tigrinya mostly. So they need someone who can translate them in English. So it was really difficult for everyone to express their illness in English. So we just came. We found out it is difficult even for those people who are educated. It's difficult to express your feeling, you know. Then we just came with that idea, why don't we open our own, with our land.
East African hospital.
Yeah, it belongs because we are having Ugandan doctors. We are having Ugandan staff.
I've seen that.
So everyone can come and get the service, not only Eritreans, but mostly the Eritreans who has a problem of language, they can come and get the right service from here.
My brother ምርጥ ቪዲዮ ነው የምር መቅረጹ ሼር ማድረጉ እዛው ኡጋንዳ ውስጥ በጣም እንትን ይላል ቪዲዮ ይሰራል እየሄደ ምናምን ነገር የኤርትራን ኮሚኒቲ ጋር ምናምን ማለት ግን አሁን አስመራ መሄዱ ሳይው ካየር ነው በቃ ማየት ያለብኝ ብዬ ሪአክት ያደረኩበት ማለት ነው። ያ ጋይስ የዛሬ ቪዲዮአችን እኔ ይመስል ነበር። አይ ሆፕ ፈታ ዘና እንዳላችሁበት ከኔ እኩል ተወዱታላችሁ ብዬ አስባለሁ። እኔ እዛ ከሄድኩ እግዚአብሔር ፈቅዶ አይ ቲንክ እናንተም ተተባበሩኛላችሁ ብዬ አስባለሁ። መሄድ እፈልጋለሁ እና የሚገርም ቪዲዮ ነው የምሰራው። እያንዳንዱን ቦታ ልክ እንደሱ ያው ስትሬቶቹን እጄ ለብቻው አንድ ቪዲዮ ሰራለሁ። ሬስቶራንቶችን ሪቪው ያደርጋለሁ ለብቻው ማለት ነው። ምናልባት በዓላት ምናምን ካሉ እዛ ሄጄ እንትን ለማለት በጣም እቅድ አለኝና ጋይስ አይ ሆፕ ዋን ዴይ የምር አይቀርም። በሚቀጥለው ቪዲዮ እስከማገኛችሁ ድረስ ሁላችሁንም እወዳችኋለሁ። ባይ